Now, you know, when you're choosing a vanity for your bathroom, here's a couple things to consider. First of all, if you have the cabinet man make the doors all the way up to the top, instead of having that false panel that many of them have, you'll get a lot more room inside. Also, make sure you don't have a middle stile or section of wood going down the middle like many cabinets do. Again, that'll restrict your access into this main part of the vanity. Here's something I like a lot, the little short shelves on either side. It's perfect for positioning little things that you may have and still save this middle part of the vanity for some of the taller things that you might have. Also, drawers are always really nice to have taller drawers on the bottom, smaller one on top. But another thing that a lot of people are discovering and are really preferring in vanities is to raise them up a little bit. See, this one's almost 36 inches tall, whereas traditional vanities from years ago may be 32 or 34. This gives you a little more space, but also makes it a little more convenient when you're washing your hands, shaving, or putting on makeup.